full on broken. Greetings, Earthlings! I was a bad girl this weekend and I did a lot more high-end beauty discount shopping. I hit up Ross and TJ Maxx and I got a couple things online from Nordstrom Rack. So if you want to see what cheap treasures I was able to find this time, just keep watching. So first of all, I got a lot of lip and eye stuff. Like, that's pretty much all that this is. Let's go ahead and start with what I have on my lips right now. I found this Urban Decay Urban Vices lip kit. This was only $4.99. I think it's been discontinued because the only place I could find it online was eBay. It comes with 4 lipstick shades: Pandemonium, which is this purple shade, Wrath, which is kind of a metallic red, Hex, which is a dark brownie red, and Backtalk, which is a mauve pink that I'm wearing right now. Pandemonium is a sweaty little girl. I don't know how these lip kits work exactly because I never use them. I think they're peculiar, but he's real sweaty and doesn't swatch very well. He's coming off pretty sheer. I mean, for all I know, it could be a sheer lipstick and I'm just dumb and didn't keep reading. And then these are the rest of the shades. I think I really like Hex and Backtalk the most. They swatch the best. But I do have high hopes for the other two as well. This is really not bad for $4.99, and it comes with a little brush as well. So this is really cool if you ask me. I'm very happy that I found that. Now this is actually like the 5th time that I filmed this video, so my hand is already just kind of like stained with swatches. Don't ask me why, I'm just very picky. And then another lip kit that I got, this is by Lime Crime. This is the Best of Reds. I paid $9.99 for this at TJ Maxx, and it is still on the Ulta website for $34. It comes with this lip liner in the shade Poison. This gave me a hard time when I wore it. It's kind of creamy, but it kept sticking and tugging while I was trying to line my lips, and I ended up with a really jagged, bumpy lip line, and it wasn't cute. But what I did like the most in this kit, I think, was the liquid lipstick in Red Velvet. This was much smoother and easy to apply, but it wasn't able to save the lip liner. And then this pretty Diamond Crusher in Strip. I tried to put this on top of the dry matte lipstick, but it didn't smooth on very well. But it is very pretty, and I like it. And the last thing that came in here is a Cherry Gloss lip gloss in Cherry Balm, and it smells so good. It reminds me of a very specific thing from my childhood, but I'm not sure what. Like, I don't even want to say that it smells like cherry candies. It smells more like cherry candies than it does like cherry cough syrup, which a lot of artificial cherry stuff smells like. But it just reminds me of something very specific from my childhood, and I just can't, like, ow. My hair is always getting stuck and stuff, but I just can't, like, I don't know. I'm so close. I'm just going to have to keep smelling it until I figure out what it is that it reminds me of. Now, moving on to something that I got from Ross. This was actually my favorite thing that I found. I got this huge lip gloss kit by Buxom. This was originally $44, an $85 value, and I only spent $20 on it, which is kind of steep for Ross, but considering it's an $85 value, I'm super happy with it. It comes with 8 full-on lip glosses, and it's supposed to come with a eye veil thing, but it wasn't in here, which is strange because it was actually like, it had a security thing on it that they had to unlock so that I could buy it. But these are the best lip glosses ever. They are so pretty, they smell good, they taste good, they're kind of cooling, not really tingling, and they last forever. It comes with Sangria Mudslide, which I have and I love, Cure Royale, Pink Champagne, Brandy Jill Sugar that I love, and Dominique, and I'm pretty sure I have Dominique as well, but it's super pretty. Like, it's so shiny and shimmery. I'm not going to swatch all these because I don't really like to swatch lip glosses. I think it's silly. They just get really messy. Sorry. Although I am a little concerned about these darker shades because I feel like I do have a hard time with dark lip glosses. They just move around too much. It's worrisome. Now, the last lip thing that I got, this was by Dr. Brandt. It's the Needles No More Plumpfix 3D Lip Plumper. I actually almost bought this from Sephora, and I have really thin lips, so I was like, oh, yay, I can be Kylie. No. What happened was they changed the packaging, so this is still available on the Sephora website for $39. I only paid $11.99 for this at TJ Maxx's because it's the old packaging. You flip it back and forth between a morning one, Plump and Prime, and then a night one, Nourish and Restore, and it's supposed to like help fine lines and plump your lips and stuff. I actually really liked it. I tried it for the first time this morning, and it didn't burn or anything, and it actually tasted quite nice. Alright, so now moving on to the eye stuff that I got. I found this by the Balm at Ross. This is the Meet Matte Ador eyeshadow palette. I only paid $8.99 for this, and on the Balm website it says it's $42. It's currently out of stock though, so I don't know if it's just incredibly popular or if it was discontinued. I only used 2 shades. I tried this Matte Bernard one in my crease and then Matte Williams in the outer corner. They're okay. I don't know if I would have paid $42 for it, but it is a very popular palette, and I'll play with it a little bit more. I did find another eyeshadow palette. I paid $9.99 for this. This is by Lime Crime, and it reminds me so much of Polly Pockets, the ones that I had as a kid, the little choking hazard ones. Oh, this is so cute. This is in the shade Bubblegum. The shades are very playful. It has this purpley shade, this blue shade, these really shiny metallic-y shades, and I'm just super excited. Where can I swatch this? Okay. That one is kind of patchy, like you can't even see it. But the purple and blue ones are really nice considering. See, now those shades are really pretty. Even though you can't see them right now. They are pretty. And I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be like an homage to Polly Pockets because it's called Pocket Candy. And these are on sale on the Ulta website for $17. And I lied. I didn't pay $9.99. I paid $7.99. So that's even better. Now what I have on my lid is this by Urban Decay. This is the Liquid Moondust eyeshadow in the shade Spacetime. It reminds me of Spacetime Inspector or whatever from Community. I paid $7.99 for this. They are on sale on the Urban Decay website for $11. This, I don't think I like. The brush tip applicator is kind of strange. I think it's a little patchy, but not too bad. It's a pretty color. I prefer lighter shades of liquid eyeshadow just because I feel like they're easier to blend. It ended up getting kind of muddy trying to blend everything out with this shade. Also, I bumped my temple on the corner of a shelf this morning, and I started freaking out because I always think I'm going to go blind if I hit my temple, like the guy from The Sandlot. Do you see that? It's swelling, and I'm freaking out. Like, is that the vein swelling? I don't know. But here's an up close of the Liquid Moondust. As you can see, I had a hard time blending it out. I don't want to blame it on the Meet Matte Ador eyeshadow palette, but it's not the worst thing that I've ever bought because what I'm about to show you next is probably the worst thing I've ever bought. I found this by Too Faced, this Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner in Fairy Queen. Now, don't get me wrong. This is so pretty. I mean, like, even look at the packaging. Like, it's beautiful. I wanted to buy these when they first came out. I found this at TJ Maxx for $4.99, and I failed myself. I am so disappointed in myself. I know better than this. I did not open it up before I bought it, and it is full on broken. It's broken. And it is such a pretty color too, which is such a shame. But there's no way I could use this. Look at that. It is beautiful. Metallic sparkly purple, but it's garbage. Like, I'm so sad. They are still $20 on the Ulta website, although I couldn't find this exact shade. But I might have to go back to TJ Maxx to see if I could find it because this is so pretty. And it's only $4.99. Now, on to Nordstrom Rack. I've talked about these shampoo, shower gel, bubble baths a lot by Philosophy. This one is Sugar Plum Fairy. It smells so good. Usually I go for like more, well, this is sweet, but I mean more like dessert sweet. Like I think the last one I bought was like marshmallow crisps or something like that. And this one though, it's sugary, candy-like. It smells so good. This is probably my favorite. Possibly even more than the gingerbread. Like, I love this. And I got this for like $6.50, I think, off the website. And these are $18. So, there's that. And then I also, from Nordstrom Rack Online, got another pair of Michael Kors shoes. But they're in my closet. And honestly, I don't feel like getting up to get them. So, sorry. I paid $60 for those. All right, well, that is everything that I got this round. I am pretty stoked about a lot of it. I'm so disappointed in that eyeliner, though. So disappointed. But it's my own fault. What was I thinking? I don't know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. That would mean so much to me, and I will see you later. Bye!